Math Magic, More, Less, Golden Kids Land, Unit 14. Hello, I am Mr. Shi. I am your maths teacher. How are you? I'm doing great. I hope everyone else is doing great. So, math stories. We will solve the mystery in the story. Prepare your pencil and eraser and crayon and worksheet. Are you ready? First thing, more and less. So here's our story. It's about chocolate chip cookies. Oliver's mom baked some chocolate chip cookies. Here you are, she said, and gave Oliver 3 pieces of chocolate chip cookie on a plate. But, Oliver said, "May I have some more?" Mom said, "Surely," and gave him 2 more pieces. How many pieces of chocolate cookies did Oliver eat in all? So before we answer, let's review the numbers. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 is more than 0. 2 is 1 more than 1, and 3 is 1 more than 2. Okay, less. So 2 is 1 less than 3, 1 is 1 less than 2, and 0 is 1 less than 1. Find more. Okay. Oliver's mom baked some chocolate chip cookies. Here you are, she said, and gave Oliver 3 pieces of chocolate chip cookie on a plate. But Oliver said, "I want some more." Mom said, "Surely," and gave him 2 more pieces. So how many cookies on the plate? How many cookies were on the plate? There were 3 pieces of chocolate chip cookie on a plate. Cookies on a plate. 3. How many more? Let's see. But Oliver said, "I want some more." Mom said, "Surely," and gave him 2 more pieces. So how many more? 2 more. And more means addition. It means to plus, to add. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So that is how much Oliver ate in all. Oliver ate 5 pieces of cookies in all. Okay, so this is another story. Karen usually likes to put 5 spoons of sugar in her tea, but now she has a bad tooth. The dentist said, "Put less sugar." So this morning she puts 2 less spoons of sugar. How many spoons of sugar did Karen put this morning? So Karen puts 5 spoons of sugar in her tea. Then the dentist says, put 2 less, right? Less. 2 less spoons of sugar. How many spoons of sugar did Karen put this morning? Alright, so how many spoons of sugar does she put usually? Usually she puts 5. Then the doctor said to put 2 less. 2 less. And less means to subtract, right? Minus. 2 means 2 less means to subtract or minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So how many spoons of sugar did Karen put this morning? She put 3 sugars. She put 3 spoons of sugar in her coffee or in her tea. Now, here comes a tough one. Relax, you can do it. Anna has some pairs of shoes. Her sister has 4 pairs more than Anna, and she has 7 pairs. June has a pair less than Anna. Answer the questions. How many pairs of shoes does Anna have? Her sister has 4 pairs more than Anna. So let's first remember that Anna, or I guess her sister, right? Anna's sister has 7 pairs. Anna's sister has 7 pairs, but Anna's sister has 4 pairs more than Anna. So how many does Anna have? Anna's sister has 7, and that is 4 more, which means you have to do the opposite to find out how many Anna has. So Anna actually has 7 minus 4, 3 pairs of shoes. Anna's sister has 7, which is 4 more than Anna. So do the opposite, and it is 3 pairs. Anna has 3 pairs of shoes. How many pairs of shoes does June have? June has a pair less than Anna. We know that Anna has 3 and June has a pair less. Anna has 3, June has pair less. Less means minus. A pair, right? A pair means one pair. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So June has 2 pairs of shoes. And now here's the worksheet. Good luck on the worksheet. You can do it. And that was it for this lesson. I hope you have a good summer. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.